Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bearer, back again here in the old Den of Tools. And we're here, of course, to talk about some new miter saws from Harbor Freight. Not one, but two. Yeah, our old buddy, Agent Deep Freight, he's been working hard, working his fuzzy little tail off. And he's been, telling me that there was going to be two saws coming out, and one of them was going to be Bauer. And I thought for sure that, that it was coming out way earlier than I thought it was going to come out, because I was expecting it later this year, maybe next year, because I'd heard whisperings that there would be a cordless option. And I'm like, this is way too soon. There's no way they got this out in time. Well, sure enough, it isn't cordless, but it's something I hadn't even heard anything about. No whispers, nothing. That is a Bauer 15 amp, 12 inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Oh my gosh, gotta take a breath after that. We're looking at a price tag, initial launch price of $280. There's a little better picture there. We can see it. The tag is out. We don't have any pictures of the actual saw yet, but you can see there it's got a nice size fence on it. I'm guessing based on the perspective, and it's got something that I want more than anything else. It's got the full front controls. That's for both the bevel and the compound feature. So no more reaching around the back of the saw to loosen it up so you can make your adjustments. I love this feature. Unfortunately, it's not something you see on higher end saws, but in the DIY, weekend warrior prosumer market, you definitely see these. But the bad news is this: blade sold separately. Oh, what is with it and Bauer with this blade sold separately bit? Coming in at $280, that's fine and all. But if you're looking to put a decent blade on this thing, that's going to drive the price up. Seriously, I think not having a blade included on this is a big lose for Harbor Freight, at least a lost opportunity on this. I mean, if you consider pricing, if you were to get the Admiral, which is allegedly a step down as far as level of quality, I mean, Admiral's going to be below the new Bauer. I mean, if you look at the Admiral, you're looking at, let's see here, $199. So this is clearly going to be a lower tier saw than at least what their positioning as a lower tier saw. But you're looking at it at $200, and that's before coupon. Coupon on this usually takes it down another $20, and this clump comes with a blade. If you look at the Hercules now, they've raised the price, or the base price on the Hercules, but it's at $380. But usually you see this on sale. It used to be $300, but in the past 3 to 4 months, we've really only even seen it come down to $320. But still, $320. Now, there was the coupon around Christmas, 15% off everything in the store, 20% off if you were a Harbor Freight Inside Track Club member. That got this down to like $296, okay? So at that price, with a great blade, a fantastic blade, how are they going to compete with this saw? What kind of discount are they going to have to throw on it to get it to move off the store shelves? Let's look at the blades real quick. The Admiral, which is about one of the cheapest blades you can find, it's a decent blade. It's nothing fantastic about it. It's just a decent, good quality blade. 12-inch, 60 tooth for $20. Now, if we look at the Hercules, it's a 12-inch, 60 tooth coming in at $30. Now, for your usual aftermarkets, I know one of the ones that a lot of people recommend is Diablo, and I think Diablos are great. You're looking at $46.90 when it's not on sale. One of the ones I think people really overlook that's an excellent quality blade is the Irwin Marples. As you can see, I've purchased this. It says it right here. I've used this blade time and time again. I love it. And that's a 12-inch 60-tooth blade that sells for around $42.86. All of these high-end blades, you're looking at, $46, $47. You're looking at $43. You got $30 on that. They're going to have to, even if you split the difference at $25, that saw coming in at the $200 price range, or $280 price range, you're now over $300. At over $300, let's say call it $25, you're at $305. If I can get this for $320, the Hercules, why would I not get the Hercules with the drop shadow at $320 when it's on sale over the Bauer? Now, granted, the Bauer's going to have a sale, okay? Let's be honest, the Bauer is going to have a coupon on it. I get it. How much is that going to take it down? Well, best case scenario is going to take it down about 20%. So that's going to put us at, let me do the math on this. Okay, 80% off is going to take us down to around 224, best case scenario, right? But then you're going to add another $20, $30. You're going to be looking at a $250 price tag for this. Now the question there is, at $250, I don't know. I guess that makes a reasonable argument. $250 as opposed to $320. You're looking at a $70 difference, and you're looking at a $70 difference going the other way because you're looking at $280 or $180. I'm sorry, for the Admiral. So that does kind of park it right there in the middle for like kind of sweet spot. The question is the quality going to be there? And not having put pause on it, I can't really say, but I can tell you, having looked at the other stuff in that lineup, the other Bauer stuff does look pretty good. Haven't had a chance to put it through its work, its paces, as it were, and I haven't had a lot of chance to get any feedback from anybody else. I think I've talked to one person who picked it up. They said they like it, but they've only been using it for about a week, so what can you really say with that? Anyway, we got more for you. I said there was a second saw, right? So let's take a look at that. Oh, here you go. Bet you didn't see this one coming. Warrior 7¼ inch compound single bevel miter saw. Now this is a nice little package right here, okay? This is not going to be any kind of a beast of a saw. This is your small benchtop saw that's going to save you some space for those of you who aren't going to be doing big jobs. Say you're just going to be doing some stuff around the house, maybe cutting, picture frames, that kind of stuff. This will do that job, and it'll do it just fine. This is in stores. You clearly see this is a retail box in the store from our old agent Deep Freight, so he gets us all the good stuff. Anyway, there you go, 7¼ inch compound single bevel miter saw, 9.5 amp, 5200 RPM, saw blade. Let's see here, what does that say there? Sadly, this one is also saw blade sold separately. Although I don't have any prices on this, you can bet this thing's probably going to be fairly inexpensive. It's definitely going to be under the $100 price point. I'm excited about it just to see, different options available for other people there. It looks like it's better quality than the typical Chicago Electric, so that's a step up. I know a lot of you are fans of the 10-inch Chicago Electric sliding miter saw. Now, I love the 12-inch. I thought the 12-inch was a screaming deal, and sadly, it's gone. The 10-inch, it can't leave soon enough as far as I'm concerned. I hate that thing. Anyway, okay, I got a few other bonus items here for you. Since I was in store, I took a pic of them. This is the new blue cabinet in the Yukon. Yes, the blue, the red, the black, and the white now available in all four colors here. The camera does not do it justice. This thing really pops. It's a really beautiful cabinet there. The white looks fantastic. I'd be happy to have that as a kitchen island. I'll be honest. It's that nice. Now, I took a picture of the single drawer since they were out too. They're in four colors, but in this case, we get the red, the black, the green, and the blue. No white in this one. I know someone's going to ask, when's the white coming out? I don't know if it is going to come out. It's a great looking cart. It really pops there. You got to like that. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Just some great stuff, new stuff coming out from Harbor Freight. Sorry we've been kind of absent for a bit here. I know we missed Deals of the Week earlier this week and whatnot. The transition from Montana down to Vegas was a little bumpier than we thought. Oh my gosh. Around West Yellowstone, we were seeing feet and feet of snow. It was slow going. Anyway, we're in town now. We're set up with the new mobile studio. We got it down here. We're good to go. We're gonna be back with more videos. We'll be back next week with the Deals of the Week. So anyway, till next time, you all take care. God bless, and as always, shine on.